In this video, I will show you how to fix error compiling movie, export error, error completing render, or error code 3 in the Adobe Media Encoder. Whenever you try to export the video from the Media Encoder, you see this kind of error. For example, in this case, I have my video and I'm ready to render it using my GPU acceleration. How you can check that? You need to go to the renderer and you need to see that Mercury playback engine GPU acceleration CUDA is enabled. And right now I will go to edit and I will go to preferences, and I will also make sure video rendering is selected as GPU acceleration CUDA. Enable display color management requires GPU acceleration is also enabled. So whenever I try to render the video using these settings, it gives me an error that you have Adobe Media Encoder error, error compiling movie, export error, error completing render, and error code 3. Now in order to solve that issue, you need to go to the renderer and make sure you select the Mercury playback engine software only, and after that you need to go to edit and go to the preferences and make sure you select the software only here and make sure the enable display color management is disabled. And once you're done, you need to click on OK and restart your Adobe Media Encoder. Once you are done, you need to again apply your best settings for the export and you need to click on render, and right now it will not give you any kind of error and you will be able to export the video without any export error right from the Media Encoder. So that's it, and I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. I will try my best to respond to your queries and solve your issues, and that's it, and have a nice day.